Hello, class. I wanted to go ahead and go over another linear equation with graphing. So this time we're graphing a line given its slope and y-intercept. So we're just given the parts this time. The slope, remember, is your m, and the y-intercept is your b. So if you wanted to write an equation, the linear equation in slope-intercept form, you could. So your slope would just be the y equals our m is -3/4 times x, and plus a negative b, which would just be -3. Okay, so if you have the slope and y-intercept, it's easy to just plug it into the equation. All we're asked for here is to graph. So let's go ahead and look at our parts and remember what they mean. The y-intercept is an ordered pair. So the y-intercept is telling me that we have a b value of -3. So that's the ordered pair. 0 is always for the x-intercept, and then -3. So 0 left and right because we want it on the y-axis. And then the y-intercept value tells us the y value. So 0, -3 would be our first point. So 0, -3. Now we need to get to one other point in order to graph our line. Well, if you have the equation, you go ahead and plug in a value to find another point if you want it, but you have the slope. So let's use the slope. So we have -3/4. So let's assign the negative sign to either the numerator or the denominator. And I'll show you both because it doesn't matter where you do it. You just need to do it as assign it to one of them. So if we have a negative on top, remember it's rise over run. So on top is rise. So that means it's up or down. So this is going to be down since it's a negative, and this would be up. And the run, which is the right or left, this is positive, so that's right. Negative would mean left. So let's use our first direction, and that would tell us to go from the y-intercept. We're going to go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have our line that we could connect the dots. The other one, if we go 3 over -4, that's telling me that from my y-intercept again, up 3 and to the left 4. So you see how it's still on the line. It's just a different part of the line. You just need 2 ordered pairs to get your line. So we can use either of them. So let's go ahead and look at this in Alex. So we have our first ordered pair was at our y-intercept of -3, so that's 0 down 3. And then our slope, we had 2 options. Let's just use the first one where we put the negative on top, so that means down 3, and then +4 to the right 4. Okay, so we have the y-intercept at 0, -3, and then we use the slope of -3, so 1, 2, 3, and then to the right 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we check our answer. Good job. So again, we could have went up 3 and to the left 4. If we put the negative in the denominator, that would still give us a point on the line. Either of them will work for you. All right, hope that was helpful. Have a good day.